Eberlestock is excited to announce the arrival of the B3 Hercules, a rolling duffel bag designed to keep all of your gear organized and secure for any trip, mission, or adventure that you might find yourself on. Years of prototyping and testing have gone into the B3 to make sure that we included every feature you could possibly need. Some of the external features that you'll find are wheels that can handle any surface or load, dual drag handles, dual patch panels, external MOLLE webbing, lockable zippers so you can lock any of the compartments on the bag. You have a single carry handle from the top, 38mm compression straps, a clear document sleeve, as well as a pull-out rain cover. The main compartment is plenty large enough to hold a significant amount of clothing, any fully kitted out hunting pack, as well as any tactical loadout that you might have. You also find internal MOLLE webbing, and most importantly, you'll find 2 Velcro panels that can be used to partition off various size compartments inside the bag. If you choose to use it to carry something like a compound bow, there are 2 internal compression straps to keep your gear secure and safe. The basement compartment also accepts foam that you can customize at home to fit a variety of weapons and accessories. You will also find a garment veil used to separate dirty items from clean items with a polymer base so that you can easily wipe out anything like mud or dirt. With more than enough capacity and organization for all of your gear, the Hercules duffel will allow you to know that you have everything with you when you get where you're going. Check it out now at Eberlestock.com.
We're excited to introduce you to the HOPLITE Parachute Duffel Bag. It's the weekend, and you're finally getting around to packing for that camping trip you've been planning for weeks. So you need a bag that stores all your gear and will keep your belongings protected no matter the weather. These parachute bags are weatherproof, heavy-duty bags built to hold your gear, household essentials, clothes, or other items without you having to worry about capacity or durability. They're rugged, stylish bags made from 100% premium cotton canvas. So wherever you take them, whether it's the office, the campsite, or the gym, you'll never look out of place. The 18-ounce double-fill heavyweight canvas construction of these parachute-style bags ensures that they will last for years, even after repeated use. The material is reinforced at stress points, so you can use these bags for any kind of rugged activity in the outdoors without the need to be too gentle. Military-grade zippers extend across the full length of the bag, so it's really easy to pack extra, bulky, or oversized items. You can pack all your things without really worrying about space, and still close the zipper without a struggle. You also have the option to lock these zippers, which is always a convenient option when traveling. When you're packed and ready to go, you can seal the bag with the help of the canvas storm flap and snap closure fastening system. This is another awesome way to ensure your gear stays protected from the elements. You'll find 2 carry handles at the top of these sleek parachute-style bags. The handles are super soft, but we don't compromise on the durability. So once your bag's packed, you can just grab it and go, even with heavy loads. This is especially useful if you're using the bag for storage or moving. The HOPLITE Parachute Bag series comes in 5 colors: olive, blue, black, tan, and brown, and 1 spacious, versatile size option. They're super spacious, so you can use them as a gym bag, a weekender, for storage and moving, outdoor adventures, work, or anywhere else you need an option for easy storage. It also has a completely collapsible and flat folding storage design, so whenever you're done with it, you can put it away without worrying about the space it takes up. These parachute-style bags, just like all products from White Duck Outdoors, comes with free shipping and our White Duck warranty, so you can always purchase with confidence and count on us. Our team is available 24/7 over chat and email. So stop stressing about how to carry your gear, get your hands on a HOPLITE parachute bag, and reconnect now.
This is the YETI Crossroads 40-liter duffel, made for overland and overnight adventures. There's also a 60-liter duffel in case you have to haul some more gear. This one is just getting back from a weekend bouldering trip. Let's unpack it. The Crossroads duffels are built with Expedition grade materials. You've got tough skin nylon and the ground control base. Both materials are extremely abrasion and water resistant. With a duffel like this, it's bound to get dirty. So we made it easy to clean these fabrics with a little bit of soap and water. These YETI Tough materials are built to withstand it all. On every side, you'll find reinforced grab handles because bags like this are easy to throw around. And on the top, the reinforced grab handle was tested to 200 pounds. We also included a padded and removable shoulder strap. We gave these duffels a wide opening. It makes it super easy to load and unpack all of your gear. These modular and removable compression straps allow you to hold your gear down inside the bag, and they can also be attached to the outside of the bag. Of course, the puffy jacket, we gotta have that to stay warm, and some other insulated layers. One unique thing is that the walls are reinforced with foam. That keeps them upright as you unpack. They don't collapse in like other duffels. On this side, we've got the chalk bag and a pair of bouldering shoes. And of course, the Rambler. At the front of the bag, we have 2 mesh magnetic pockets. And at the back of the bag is 1 long zippered pocket. We have these great fold-away divider panels. If you wanted to use the space all as one big area, you just fold them away. On the underside of the lid, you'll see a large mesh pocket. And on the outside of the bag, we have the exterior stash pocket. Whether it's a weekend bouldering with friends or a road trip to the coast, the YETI Crossroads duffel is ready for whatever adventure comes next.